Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, man. If it's your first time, please hit subscribe, smash like. It just helps everything, right? Be pretty cool to get to 1,000 subscribers someday and get a little paycheck from YouTube. Anyway, I want to show you a quick way to make your own thumbnails on YouTube. I make mine pretty basic, but I can show you a free way and a pretty quick way, which is cool. Again, Fonto is the app I use for thumbnails on YouTube. Just click the P with the pencil here, get the correct app downloaded, and you're going to bring this up. In the middle here, you have a camera icon. Just hit that, and you want to go plain images. All right. I choose the black one. You could choose either one. Let's click white for this trial here. You want to click, again, the top square that says 2048, 2048. That is not the correct size, so you want to go to custom. This is going to ensure that you have the correct size for a YouTube thumbnail, or it'll kick it back, say unable to use, not the correct size, so forth. So again, 1920 and 1080 are the sizes you want on the custom size of image. All right, once you bring this up, you can see in the top square there, that's why it says 1920 by 1080. That is correct. You want to hit the top right icon, which is the square with the up arrow. That is going to bring up this little option that you click use. All right, now we're cooking, right? We are back here with just a plain image. How I do it, and you could do it any way you wish, but on the bottom left, there's three lines here. You can click that. Put add image. All right. First, I go and find the image I want to use. I am uploading a 3-kill Apex game, 3 or 4, in which we won. It was my very first one of season 11, which was cool. It's a really nice, colorful new map. I just have a little time here on Sunday to play a little video games. Just happened to get a dub. So I Googled Apex Legends season 11, brought up this one, and I just held my finger over the image itself and just put add to photos. All right, now we're going to go into, and you can see I have a few saved there, go into Fonto, and we are going to use any of these. Click on it. It's going to say edit. Now there's all kinds of options at the bottom. You can see there's different shapes, different things. I just click the icon itself and I hit done, or the image itself. I'm going pretty basic just from what I've learned and know. I put my thumb on it. When your thumb's on it, it's kind of selects it. You're going to get a size, tilt, move, alpha, all these things here. I just drag it to about the middle. Now, this is kind of where I messed up, is I hit size, because you want it to cover the white, right? At least I did. I don't want 50 images. I just wanted to use that one, and then I can put some text over the top. Where I messed up the first time is I was making the width to try to get it to cover all the borders, and look how distorted and messed up it looks. You just want to go to size. See, when you slide that slider, if you will, out here, now see how it's over the complete white square, which is wonderful, right? However, the height is a little off, little too much. You want to just cover the white. Reason being is if you throw some text at the top, you don't want it to be cut off for the bottom, because it's only going to be that 1920 to 1080 sizing. So you want to just go to the borders like that and just cover the white. Now you have a thumbnail that says Apex Legends Escape. It's the new season with a guy. Cool, right? So you want to add some text over the top, let's just say. Click anywhere in the squares out here in the grid, and you'll bring up just that, add text. All right, say I am a bot. I wish I was Tifu, right? This guy gets a bazillion views every single video. It'd be pretty cool to be able to do that. Unfortunately, I'm kind of a bot, and I get 3 or 4 kills per, and I think that's pretty cool. So you can now click this. This is where it was. Click it. See how it's outlined in white here, and drag it anywhere you wish onto your picture that you just uploaded. Let's say you want to throw it in this area, but it's not really standing out, right? It's covering the guy a little bit. That looks okay, but you want to make it stand out even more. What you can do for one is size. You can go to size and make it huge, small, fit it in. Let's say you wanted to put it under escape. So you wanted to do something like this, you can make it a little smaller. Let's just say you wanted to go to size, make it huge because you wanted it to cover this whole bottom section. You can do whatever you wish. Now, it's not quite standing out maybe how you'd like it, as it's just white words over the picture. So you can go to Style. I haven't messed much with text and stroke, but as you see, there's 3 options here. Text is highlighted. You can go to Stroke. I go to Background. Now you can choose any color background you wish. Let's just say pink. Something like this. You want it to pop and stand out. I am a bot. I wish I was Tfue. There you go. It's in pink and it stands out much more. See? Let's say you don't want that pink. You're like, not me. Go highlight it again. Bring up this. Hit Style. Go to Background. And select any color up above. See what's moving? I'm doing that with my thumb. I'm bringing up any color. Let's say we want to go a lighter purple kind of color. You can do anything you wish. All right. Now, you can click back again. You have nothing selected right now. Click back again in the gridding. Add text. Let's say 4 kill win. All right. Whatever you want to do to highlight your channel. Maybe get some viewers. 4 kill win. See, it's again sitting above Apex. It's all white text. So maybe you want to go to Style on here, Background, and maybe a light pink kind of color to make it transition, to show up a little more. All right. Also, don't select anything. Get back out. You just select. I tapped in the grid to basically deselect anything. Hit the 3-line icon again on the bottom left, and you could add image again. All right. Under Add Images, I have a subscribe button I just downloaded for the sake of doing this little video. You can drag that and put that anywhere, so you can overlay images. So that's kind of cool. Drop her wherever you want to. And here you go. I'm a bot. I wish I was Tfue. Phil, 4 kill win, Apex Legends, escape, and a subscribe button. So let's just say, yeah, this is my thumbnail. I'm going to rock this thing. Looks good. This will bring some viewers to my channel, hopefully. Now you hit the bottom right icon, which is the square with the up arrow. That's going to bring up a save option, and I literally just hit save image. It's that simple. All right, you're going to bring up an ad now through Fonto. They got their bills to pay since it's free. I just exit out. I don't really watch the ads, not interested. Now, if you go to your camera roll and bring it up, it'll be your most recent. That's it. It's that simple. Now, I'll show you real quick on how to upload the thumbnail onto YouTube. I go to the studio. This is my most recent video that I had posted. I'm buffering one to upload right now, which is that one, the Apex Legends Season 11 Escape. You can see how basic I made my thumbnail, and most of them are. But it's free, and I figured out how to do it myself, so I'm proud of that. On the top, you'll see a pencil. All right, click the pencil. Now on this, you see that's for editing. Now you're in edit video. See on the top left of the thumbnail, there's a square, almost a full square with a plus there. That's the only icon that you can touch here. Go ahead and touch it, and you can go to change your thumbnail, because I've already assigned that thumbnail to this most recent video I'm about to upload. So that's pretty cool. You can go to also videos like this one, this Horde Rush. I beat this Season 8, Chapter 2 little Horde Rush, beat the boss. Kind of a cool little video, threw it up. All right, so this doesn't have a thumbnail. I thought that one was kind of cool and a standalone itself with the bow and arrow right at his heart. Again, if I wanted to add a thumbnail to this, I could hit the pencil. I could hit that little circle or that squared almost icon with the plus here with a circle around it in the thumbnail. And I could put custom thumbnail. This is how you add one from the beginning. Custom thumbnail. Now I can select the one I just had. Right? So I'm not feeling that. Select, and we're back to normal. We're going to discard changes, leave as if. So that's it, man. I just wanted to show you guys how you simply create your own thumb. How do you throw it on a video in the studio here. Again, thank you for coming to the channel. Hit subscribe or like if you wish. You can see I'm up to a big 58 subscribers. That's headway, man. I started with 1. right? One subscriber, and I think it was one of my kids subscribed to me first. 58's a big freaking accomplishment for me. There's a lot of hours viewed, a lot of views, so I want to say thank you to anybody who clicks my videos. It makes me feel good, man. It's kind of cool when you wake up and you got 2 new subscribers and a bunch of views, and it's really fun. It makes it worth making these videos. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys understand now it's pretty easy to make a thumbnail on your phone and how to upload everything. You don't really need fancy computers and all that stuff. And have a good day.